What if the best travel camera in 2026 is not the one with the most jaw-dropping specs, but the one you trust when something happens once and never again? That is the real question. Travel cameras are not about pixel peeping or flexing gear. They are about reliability, portability, and capturing moments that disappear faster than your boarding pass. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 travel cameras in 2026, ranking them from luxury icons to practical powerhouses. And by the end, one of these might completely change how you think about traveling with a camera. At number 5 sits the Leica Q3, a camera that treats travel photography like fine dining. Released in 2023, this luxury compact redefined what premium travel shooting can look like. The 60-megapixel full-frame sensor paired with Leica's legendary 28mm f1.7 lens delivers images with that unmistakable Leica look. Triple resolution cropping lets you simulate 50mm and 75mm views without destroying image quality, and features like 8K video and IP52 weather sealing make it more versatile than you might expect. The problem? Price and flexibility. At over $6,000, it is a serious investment, and the fixed lens means you commit to one perspective. The Q3 is for travelers who see their camera as a luxury tool and want every frame to feel editorial. At number 4 is the Nikon ZF, a camera that blends nostalgia with modern performance. Launched in late 2023, it quickly became a favorite among style-conscious travelers. The 24.5-megapixel full-frame sensor delivers beautiful dynamic range, while in-body stabilization makes handheld shooting a breeze. There's even a high-resolution mode for capturing extreme detail when the moment calls for it. The physical dials make shooting feel intentional and fun, but the small grip can feel cramped with larger lenses, and the lens ecosystem is still growing. The ZF is for travelers who want their camera to look as good as the places they visit. At number 3, the Adventure King refuses to step aside. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is still the ultimate insurance policy for travel. Released in 2024, it shoots 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, survives water without a housing, and laughs at sand, snow, and drops. Hypersmooth stabilization is borderline unreal, and the battery finally keeps up with long days. Low light performance is still not its strength, and still photos are clearly secondary. But when conditions get extreme, this is the camera that keeps rolling when everything else quits. At number 2 is the camera many travelers already call perfect. The Fujifilm X100VI delivers something rare in 2026. Joy. The 40.2-megapixel APS-C sensor, classic 35mm equivalent lens, and legendary film simulations create images that look finished straight out of camera. 6 stops of stabilization, weather sealing, excellent battery life, and a hybrid viewfinder make it feel purpose-built for travel. The fixed lens limits zoom flexibility, and demand makes it hard to find, but nothing else makes photography feel this intentional while traveling. At number 1 is the camera that quietly rewrote the rules. The Sony A7CR packs a 61-megapixel full-frame sensor into a body smaller than many APS-C cameras. Autofocus covers nearly the entire frame, stabilization keeps shots sharp, and the resolution gives you insane cropping freedom when you can't get closer. The viewfinder is small, and battery life is only decent, but the image quality to size ratio is unmatched. This is the travel camera that lets you stop choosing between portability and professional results. So, those are the top 5 travel cameras heading into 2026. From rugged action cams to luxury compacts, they all prove one thing. Travel photography is about balance, not specs. The best travel camera is the one that disappears into your workflow and lets you focus on the adventure instead of the gear. Now, I want to hear from you. Which one would you take on your next trip? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if this guide helped, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming next.